Hey awesomes, welcome back to me. Welcome to Adam's Apple channel. If you're new to to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And this is the second part or the second episode of our how to get more views at YouTube. And thank you so much for everyone who has watched my first video about it. And I'll put the link anywhere on the screen throughout this video. And also, I really appreciate all your positive feedback about it. I was actually like sort of like on the fence if I'm gonna do it, but since you sort of requested for it, so I did. So anyway, before we get into our second topic regarding it, let's dance a little bit. Are you ready to dance? And now we're back, and I just want to address a couple of questions from the comment section from the first video. One of which was, why does my views decrease? So something like that. So I kind of like replied to her comment or to his comment regarding it. I was just like to clarify or verify what the question was, because I have not experienced that my number of views on on my videos have decreased. So I really don't know the reason for it. If any one of you guys know, or if any one of you guys have experienced like a decrease on your number of views, put it in the comment section below. I, for one, have not experienced that. So for this second video on how to gain more views, how I gained more views on my YouTube video, I'm going to talk about our traffic sources. So basically, on the first video, we talked about the content, right? Oh, and also one more thing. Yes, there was a comment regarding about the consistency or like the regular uploads of your videos. Now, I must say that, if you ask me, um, once per week or twice per week is, it's a good thing. If you can do it like every other day or 3 times a week, that is even better. Now, it is just, you just have to make sure that you will not compromise the quality of your video or the quality of your content over the quantity of your uploads. So you just have to, balance it out. Find a balance, yin, yang, something like that. Anyway, yes, we're going to talk about traffic sources. So let's say we put this video. This video is already uploaded, right? Now what I do is that I would actually take some time, like maybe like 30 minutes or up to 1 hour after I upload my video to share it in all social media platforms. I think or I believe most of you are doing that as well. Now, if you can see anywhere on the screen right now, I will post a screenshot of all the social media on the share button in our YouTube videos. Now, what I do is that I actually share in each of them. Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, all the social media platforms that you will see once you click on the share button of your YouTube video. So yes, I share on all those websites because you want to know, you want to let everyone know outside of YouTube that you have an uploaded content. It just makes sense, right? I mean, also, I notice that YouTube appreciates if you're bringing in audience from another platform. So say for example, you posted a video, you shared your video at Twitter, and once one of your followers there will click or tap on your video, and then he or she will be routed to the YouTube website or to the YouTube platform. Now YouTube actually appreciates that. Their system or their algorithm loves it, especially if that viewer will stay on YouTube. So say for example, your follower, watch your videos at YouTube, and then he watches a second video, then a third video. So that is what we call as audience retention. And YouTube absolutely loves that. So guys, you really have to share your videos. Facebook is, it's a no-brainer. All of us, I think, right? All of us share our videos at Facebook. So share it at, messenger groups, group chats at Facebook. Even better, if you have like Facebook groups or Facebook pages that you can share it, yes, go ahead and share your video. Make everyone know that you have an uploaded video. Make your mom watch it, your dad watch it, your siblings, your brothers, your sisters, your pets, your cats, your dogs, anyone, everything that has a device that can watch a YouTube video, make them watch it. Okay? All right. And one of the social media platforms that I absolutely love as well is Reddit. You can see that once you click on the share button, Reddit is one of the platforms that you can share your YouTube videos to. Also, Quora, Quora.com. I don't know if you're familiar with Quora, but I think some of you or most of you are. Quora.com, I post my videos there. So just a little bit of background. Quora, for any one of you who doesn't know what it is, it's like a question and answer website in which you can create an account and then you can post a question and share an answer as well. Also, lately, I think they also have this new feature in which you could have like, I think it's called Spaces. It's like pages or communities in Facebook. So what I do is that I actually go to Quora and I followed like everything, like YouTube, any any questions I would try to answer as far as I know, and then I will promote or I will insert my YouTube link or any videos that will be, of course, related to that question. So I know that is quite time consuming for most of y'all, but I would really say that that if you are really like serious in getting more views, you have to think about that as well. Share your videos, guys. Twitter, Facebook, and like I said, Quora.com. Now, um, because from what I can gather, the time or the first 30 minutes or the first few hours after you uploaded your YouTube video, that's very critical on the ranking of the video. So that's why you need to have as much views, as much engagements, as much comments on your videos right after you uploaded it, because it will only make sense. I think it is just the same with Facebook. If you can, if you notice, once you post something at Facebook, once you upload a photo at Facebook, if you like receive a lot of likes, a lot of reactions, and a lot of comments, it will be on the top of the news feeds, of your friends' news feeds. So I think, correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, I may be wrong, but I'm sort of like maybe, I don't know, 90% sure that maybe it goes with the same way with YouTube as well. So as much as you can, create more engagement with your viewers, with your subscribers right after you upload a new video at YouTube. That's why I would, as much as possible, reply to comments on the videos, because that is one way of putting your videos on top of searches, or better yet, YouTube will recommend your video. All right. So I guess that is it. For this one. If you don't know anything about Quora, I will put the link on the description box. And also, for the next video, I will be talking more specifically now about the tools that I've been using. And if you want, I can maybe sort of maybe analyze one of your videos. I will put it in OBS so that you can see it, and then you can see it for real time what my tools, or what the tools that I've been using have helped me in getting more views at YouTube. All right, so I hope everyone have a good weekend, and I hope you learned something. And if you still have any questions, let it be known in the comment section below. All right, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Adam's Apple. Bye. Stay awesome, everyone.